I believe so much in what I do, and basically my mission here at Kuhnhausen Metal Concepts to create and above all build things that matter. Hi, my name is Kauhnhausen. I'm a fabricator from Creswell, Oregon. I do all sorts of metal fabrication, from really high-end TIG welding to, throwing stuff together to make things work. I just really enjoy the challenges of mechanics and coming up with creative solutions. Every pair of jeans, t-shirt, sweatshirt I own has a rip, a hole in it. When I wear my Earnest workwear apron, it catches all that stuff for me. So I take that off and I go home and my girlfriend's happy because we can go out and I don't have weld slag holes and big scrapes and rips in my jeans. When I put that thing on, it's the same as like putting your visor down on your race helmet. It's go time. It's time to create, it's time to get serious about making something, bringing it out of my head and making it a tangible piece. So as much the mindset as it is the utility. I'm really here to create and to advance my skill set, and it's all kind of revolves around my own personal knowledge and my quest to build things that are that make me happy. They're not just there to suffice to whoever, puts out a standard for how things are built. They're really to make me happy. I'm chasing my own dreams. Maybe someday this will all culminate in me being able to, from the very start, build an entire car just the absolute best that I can. And that's kind of all that really drives me. I love to see the passion kind of take root in my clients too. We may start off on more of a business level because there's some pretty big finances in doing all of this. But I think that those always blossom into friendships and kind of a joint venture in creating. Once we start kind of seeing the ideas come to life and seeing where we could really take, what was just going to be a car to more of like a statement. And that is what drives me.